We recognize that one of the biggest problems that we would have as we scale is to find quality technicians. We created Lehr University to solve that problem.
Lehr University is a 12-week course. Some of it is in the classroom and some of it is hands-on. Running this course, you will become a technician.
The way that they lay out the curriculum makes it so easy for the average person to come in and absorb it so well and also excel.
Anybody can do it. We see people of all walks of life come through these doors and they leave as more confident and happy people.
This job gave me an opportunity to gain a skill.
This is the first program of its kind in this space. The program most of our competitors have is that they will take an employee, they'll stand them next to somebody that's working, and that will be their training. The detail that we put into the program with our team of engineers is rigorous.
It starts with safety and basic fundamentals, which is your foundation of your training. And then from there, you're gonna get to do some class work. And then from there, you start to work on a vehicle, running your harnesses, learning the wiring. You kind of just evolve eventually to where you're building a whole vehicle by yourself. Having that confidence and knowing exactly what you need to do, you're gonna see that quality of work.
This job is very fast-paced, but when it comes to instructing and teaching, they're patient.
You get to grow. You're able to take that out of here and be somebody that you weren't before.
They want you to evolve, they want you to advance, they want to put you in different cells, and that's what makes us like a great team.
We've brought on people that have made this a career, and they've brought in their friends, their family. We haven't had any trouble recruiting because of that positive experience.
I love coming here. I literally come an extra hour every day just to walk around the building. I just feel so happy when I come here. I don't feel like I'm at work.
We know our program is the best in the country. We're building a higher level of quality than anyone in the space, and that's how we'll scale to the next level.